come to this little off the shoulder shirt. It was some human hair, and it's from a company that we ain't work with, right? And if you're new here, you know how I do human hair because it is so expensive. If it's trash, I promise I will tell you that it's trash and we'll never hear from these people again. The company is called KlaiyiYi. I can't pronounce it. KlaiyiYi. KlaiyiYi? I don't know how to pronounce it, but there you are. Okay, y'all, I'm not sure what's in this doggone box. It literally just showed up from DHL and I pulled it out. So we're gonna find out what's in here together, boo. Woo, let's see. Okay, I hope I don't gotta drag these people. Okay, y'all, it's a headband wig. And that must be the going rave because I kid you not, today I have filmed 5 headband wigs. This makes number 5. I'm assuming it's a headband wig because look at all these cute little headbands it came with. I got a floral print one, another darker floral print. This one is black and white. Like we got some giraffe in there, some roses. We gonna see. They sent those. They sent a wig cap or a pack of wig caps, and then the wig. Okay. On the tag, all it says is that it's Brazilian hair, and I think it says it's 22 inches. I'm not sure. Looking at the description box, sis, and you know I have all the details for you. Now, I will say this hair is pretty. Oh, y'all, yeah, that's some pretty hair. Oh, y'all. Look at that. Gorgeous hair. That's a beautiful wave pattern on that. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's look at this cap construction. Okay, this one is a little different. On my other ones, they came with a whole bunch of little small combs in the front. With this one, you have one big comb in the front and a big comb in the back, and then you get that Velcro that you use to secure that little band on your head. Okay, so before I start playing around in them doggone headbands, let me show you how I'm gonna put this on. Y'all, when I've been reviewing these, because literally it's been all day, I have not even put on a doggone stocking cap, okay? Because this band right here keeps it pretty secure on my little bald head. Okay, let's try it out. Oh yeah, that feels good and secure. Not tight to where I feel like I'm gonna have an aneurysm. So it comes with that piece of Velcro and then this smaller piece, and all you do is take the big piece, secure it to the smaller piece. Y'all, look at that curl. Y'all, look at, I feel like a Tahitian princess. That's cute. Why am I lighting off? It's a little dark. There you go. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, y'all, this hair is so soft. Let me lock on myself now. They're lighting better. Shut up, girl. There you go. Am I locked on? Perfect. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna play around in some of the headbands. We're gonna see if we can do some up, some down. We're gonna play around with the wig, and then we're gonna come back with our final thoughts. Before I even do that, I can already tell you something that I think I like better with this one than my other headband wigs. It's just a tie, and that's going to make this easier to style in my opinion, because with the headband you gotta put over your head all this down here. So I just want to show you that this one is just a tie. So this is the one that I'm going to play with. I'm walking bomb. If you're looking for and I reviewed, like I said, this is my 5th headband wig. It's hard to say, but the pattern on this, the curl pattern on this, y'all, is just bomb.com. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Throw on and go. And you won't look a mess, okay? And like I said, it came with like tons of headbands. I just kept this one on, but if I open it up, I'll show it to you again because I'm not sure if I inserted that little clip. I'm calling it a headband wig, but really they are ties. They come like this. So you can tie it if you want. You can put a little bow in the front if you want. So tons of gorgeous headbands that it came with, and y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Do I recommend? Y'all know I can't pronounce this damn name. KlaiyiHair? Yes, I do. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. I definitely recommend them. Y'all, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. To be honest with you, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I wish this wig was lace front. Because it is absolutely gorgeous. I do recommend. So we'll rock with them again. Hopefully with a lace front so we can see if we really, really like them. But as far as headband wigs go, y'all go get this wig if you're looking for one. Okay? Or on my posh. Y'all, thank y'all so much for loving me the way y'all do. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Nicole. Maybe it's your Uncle Nick. Whichever one of them, send it my way. And me and KlaiyiHair will get them right. Until next time, which will be very soon.